pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Peppermill Village, local and long distance, movers near me. No matter how far you are moving away, our movers at 3 Men and a Truck have long-term experience in moving customers all the way to their dream destinations. We will manage everything from packing your belongings carefully in boxes to shipping everything to your new space. Rest assured, we take full responsibility to deliver your keepsakes unharmed and on time. We are proud to serve a local community. Whether you are relocating to a new office or home, we'll make sure your moving day goes smoothly. Our movers will handle everything from packing to unpacking your stuff, loading to unloading your boxes, and reassembling your furniture in your new space. Within a few hours, we'll set you free to enjoy your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Peppermill Village moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.